In this video, I'm going to show you how to disable incognito mode in Google Chrome. Incognito mode goes and stops some data being saved. So to go and disable and remove it, press search at the bottom and type in regedit. You should go and see Registry Editor and click on it. Now click the drop down button for HKey current user to the left, expand software, and now click the drop down button for policies. Right click on policies, hover on new and press key. And then name this Google. And then right click on Google, hover on new and press key again. And then name this Chrome and press enter. Click on Chrome and come to the right. Right click on some blank space and press new. And press the word 32-bit value. Then type in incognito mode availability. Make sure you use the same capitalization and spell it correctly. Then double click on it after you made it and change value data to 1. Press OK. Then after that, you'll need to restart your computer and you'll be able to see the changes. That's it. Thank you for watching.